Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves tools, DIY projects, or working outdoors, then you already know that Ryobi has been releasing some incredibly interesting tools lately. Today, I'm breaking down 20 new Ryobi tools that are actually worth paying attention to. From powerful outdoor equipment and smart workshop upgrades to innovative cordless solutions designed for everyday users. I'll walk through the features, advantages, and why each tool might deserve a place in your garage or workshop. And make sure you stick around until the end, because a few of these tools could completely change how you handle yard work and DIY projects. So let's jump right in. Tool number 1, Ryobi Handheld Cultivator. Starting off the list is the Ryobi ONE Plus 18V Cordless Compact Handheld Cultivator. If you maintain a garden, flower beds, or small landscaping areas, this tool is designed to make soil preparation much easier. Instead of manually breaking up soil with a hand tool, this compact cultivator uses battery-powered rotating tines to loosen dirt quickly and efficiently. At only about 4.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough for comfortable one-hand operation, which makes it ideal for small gardens and tight spaces. Because it runs on the Ryobi ONE Plus 18V battery platform, it integrates easily into the existing ecosystem of Ryobi tools. For homeowners who want a faster way to prepare soil without dragging around a large tiller, this compact cultivator offers a simple and practical solution. Tool number 2, Ryobi 1-inch SDS plus Rotary Hammer. Next up is a tool built for serious drilling power, the Ryobi ONE Plus HP18V Brushless SDS plus Rotary Hammer. This tool is designed specifically for drilling into concrete, brick, and masonry, making it ideal for construction work or heavy-duty DIY projects. The brushless motor technology delivers better efficiency, longer runtime, and increased power compared to traditional brushed motors. SDS Plus systems also allow quick bit changes and improved hammer action, which means faster drilling through tough materials. Despite its power, the cordless design keeps it portable and convenient. If you're planning projects that involve anchors, masonry drilling, or concrete work, this rotary hammer is a strong addition to the Ryobi lineup. Tool number 3, Ryobi Garden Chipper / Shredder. Yard cleanup can quickly turn into a huge pile of branches and debris. That's where the Ryobi compatible garden chipper and shredder system becomes extremely useful. Powered by a 15-amp motor, this machine is capable of shredding branches up to 1.75 inches thick, turning them into small chips that are perfect for compost or mulch. The included collection bin makes cleanup easier by catching all the processed material, and safety features like the tamper tool help keep your hands away from the internal blades. For homeowners dealing with seasonal yard cleanup, this type of chipper can dramatically reduce the amount of waste you need to haul away. Tool number 4, Ryobi Cordless Flooring Saw. Installing flooring can be frustrating when cuts aren't precise. The Ryobi ONE Plus 18V Cordless Flooring Saw is designed specifically to solve that problem. This tool is optimized for cutting laminate, vinyl, and other flooring materials with precision. The 5.5-inch blade delivers clean, controlled cuts while keeping the tool compact and portable. Because it's cordless, you're not restricted by extension cords when moving around a job site or working in different rooms. For anyone tackling floor renovation projects, this tool helps speed up installation while maintaining professional-looking results. Tool number 5, Ryobi PEX Pinch Clamp Tool. Plumbing installations often require a lot of repetitive clamping work. The Ryobi ONE Plus 18V PEX Pinch Clamp Tool is designed to simplify that process. Instead of using manual tools, this cordless solution applies consistent clamping pressure automatically, helping create secure PEX connections with minimal effort. This not only speeds up installation, but also helps ensure reliable plumbing connections. For contractors or DIYers working with PEX plumbing systems, a powered clamp tool like this can significantly improve efficiency. Tool number 6, Ryobi Brushless Rotary Tool. Every workshop needs a versatile precision tool, and the Ryobi ONE Plus HP Brushless Rotary Tool fills that role perfectly. Rotary tools are known for handling a wide range of tasks including cutting, grinding, sanding, polishing, engraving, and detailing. This model uses ONE Plus HP Brushless technology, which provides up to twice the power under load compared to previous models. The aluminum precision handpiece improves durability and control, while the quick change collet system allows fast accessory swaps. With 40 included accessory bits, this tool becomes one of the most flexible tools you can keep in your workshop. Tool number 7, Ryobi Brushless Circular Saw. Next on the list is the Ryobi ONE Plus HP 7.1/4-inch Brushless Circular Saw. Circular saws are a staple in any workshop, but this model stands out because of its brushless motor technology, which delivers up to 40% faster cutting performance compared to earlier versions. The saw also features a bevel capacity of up to 56 degrees, giving you more flexibility for angled cuts. Another useful feature is the adjustable depth guard, allowing cuts up to February 7, 2016 inches at 0 degrees and 1 to 3/4 inches at 45 degrees. The die-cast upper guard improves durability, while the vacuum dust adapter helps keep your workspace cleaner. For anyone cutting lumber, plywood, or framing materials regularly, this circular saw offers both power and precision in a cordless design. Tool number 8, Ryobi Ground Mount Edger. Maintaining clean lawn edges can make a huge difference in how your yard looks. The Ryobi 36V Lithium Plus Brushless Ground Mount Edger is designed specifically for this job. This cordless edger features a brushless motor, which provides high torque and strong cutting power while remaining energy efficient. The 33cm cutting width makes it ideal for creating sharp edges along driveways, sidewalks, and garden beds. It also includes variable speed control and a progressive starter, allowing smoother operation and better control while edging. For homeowners who want a neat and professional-looking lawn, this tool simplifies one of the most time-consuming landscaping tasks. Tool number 9, Ryobi Pruning Reciprocating Saw. Pruning trees and trimming branches becomes much easier with the Ryobi ONE Plus one-handed pruning reciprocating saw. This compact saw is specifically designed for cutting small branches and limbs up to about 3 inches thick. The one-handed ergonomic design allows better maneuverability in tight spaces or overhead work. It also includes a removable branch hook, which helps stabilize the tool while cutting and reduces vibration. The quick-release blade lever makes blade changes fast and simple. For gardeners and homeowners who frequently trim trees or bushes, this tool can make pruning quicker and far less tiring. Tool number 10. Ryobi Jet Fan Leaf Blower. One of the most powerful outdoor tools in the lineup is the Ryobi 40V Whisper HP Jet Fan Leaf Blower. This blower delivers air speeds up to 190 miles per hour and 730 CFM of airflow, making it powerful enough to clear leaves, debris, and even wet yard waste. Despite its strong performance, the Whisper series design keeps noise levels lower, making it more comfortable to use in residential areas. The blower also includes adjustable speed control, allowing you to switch between lighter cleanup tasks and full power blowing. For anyone dealing with large yards or seasonal leaf cleanup, this tool offers impressive cordless power without the hassle of gas engines. Tool number 11. Ryobi Swift Clean Spot Cleaner. Moving indoors, the Ryobi ONE Plus Swift Clean Spot Cleaner offers a convenient way to handle everyday messes. This cordless cleaner is designed for quick spill cleanup on upholstery, carpets, stairs, and car interiors. It works using a 3-step cleaning system. Spray the solution, scrub with a powered brush, and then extract the debris using suction. Because it's cordless and lightweight, it's easy to grab whenever spills happen. The included OXY cleaning solution is ready to use without mixing, which simplifies the cleaning process. For households with kids, pets, or frequent messes, this compact cleaner provides a practical solution. Tool number 12. Ryobi Soap Dispensing Telescoping Scrubber. Cleaning large surfaces can be exhausting, especially when it requires constant scrubbing. The Ryobi ONE Plus 18V Soap Dispensing Telescoping Scrubber is designed to make those jobs much easier. This cordless cleaning tool includes a built-in soap dispensing system, which means you can apply cleaning solution while the rotating scrub head does the hard work. The telescoping handle extends your reach, making it perfect for cleaning showers, tile, siding, boats, patio furniture, and even vehicles. Because it runs on the Ryobi ONE Plus battery platform, it removes the need for manual scrubbing that can strain your back and shoulders. For deep cleaning tasks around the house, this tool offers both convenience and efficiency. Tool number 13, Ryobi AirStrike 23-gauge pinner for precision finishing work. The Ryobi ONE Plus AirStrike 23-gauge pin nailer is an excellent addition to any workshop. Unlike traditional nailers, this cordless system doesn't require a compressor or air hose, which makes it far more portable and convenient. The 23-gauge headless pins leave extremely small holes, making them ideal for delicate trim work and decorative moldings. This type of tool is commonly used for cabinet trim, small woodworking projects, furniture assembly, and craft builds. If you're working on projects where appearance matters, a pin nailer like this helps deliver clean and professional results. Tool number 14, Ryobi Pressure Washer Foam Blaster. Washing vehicles or outdoor surfaces becomes much more effective with the Ryobi Pressure Washer Foam Blaster. This accessory connects directly to a 1/4-inch Quick Connect spray wand, turning your pressure washer into a foam cannon. It produces a thick layer of cleaning foam that clings to surfaces and helps break down dirt and grime. It works well for cars, trucks, siding, decks, driveways, and even patio furniture. The built-in on/off control lever allows you to easily manage the foam flow while cleaning. For anyone who regularly uses a pressure washer, this attachment can significantly improve cleaning results. Tool number 15, Hybrid LED Project Light. Proper lighting can completely change how productive your workspace is. The Ryobi ONE Plus Hybrid LED Project Light is designed to provide powerful illumination wherever you need it. This light delivers over 900 lumens of brightness and features a 180-degree adjustable head, allowing you to direct light exactly where it's needed. One standout feature is the hybrid power system, which means the light can run either on a Ryobi battery or an extension cord. That flexibility makes it perfect for both portable job site lighting and continuous workshop use. The integrated locking hook and magnetic tray also add convenience when working on projects that require fasteners or small hardware. Tool number 16, Ryobi Compact 6-inch Pruning Chainsaw. For quick yard maintenance, the Ryobi ONE Plus HP Compact 6-inch Pruning Chainsaw is an incredibly handy tool. This small chainsaw is designed for light liming, pruning branches, and trimming small trees. Powered by ONE Plus HP Brushless technology, it delivers faster cutting performance and improved efficiency. One feature many people appreciate is the oil-free design, which reduces maintenance and cleanup. The tool-less chain tensioning system also allows quick adjustments without needing additional tools. Because of its compact design, this pruning chainsaw is easier to maneuver than traditional chainsaws. Tool number 17, Ryobi Sliding Compound Miter Saw. When it comes to precise woodworking cuts, a miter saw is one of the most essential tools in any shop. The Ryobi Sliding Compound Miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor capable of reaching 3,800 RPM, giving it enough power for demanding cutting tasks. The sliding rail system allows wider boards to be cut with accuracy. It also includes a carbide tip blade, clamp, wrench, and dust bag, making it ready for immediate use. An integrated LED cutting guide improves accuracy by clearly showing the cut line. For DIY builders, carpenters, or renovation projects, this saw offers the precision needed for clean, professional results. Tool number 18, Ryobi LED Magnifying Clamp Light. Detail work requires both visibility and precision. The Ryobi LED Magnifying Clamp Light combines bright LED illumination with a magnifying lens, making it ideal for close-up tasks. The clamp base allows it to attach easily to workbenches, desks, or tables, keeping both hands free. This tool is especially useful for electronics repair, hobby work, crafting, model building, and detailed workshop tasks. For projects that require careful attention to small parts, this magnifying light can significantly improve accuracy. Tool number 19, Ryobi 40V Snow Thrower. Winter maintenance becomes much easier with the Ryobi 40V Brushless Snow Thrower. This cordless snow blower features a 20-inch clearing width, making it suitable for driveways, sidewalks, and walkways. Powered by dual 5.0 batteries, it delivers strong performance without the noise and maintenance associated with gas-powered machines. The brushless motor improves efficiency and durability, while the lightweight design makes it easier to maneuver. For homeowners dealing with regular snowfall, this cordless snow thrower provides a convenient and reliable solution. Tool number 20, Ryobi 150-watt power source. And finally, we have a surprisingly useful accessory, the Ryobi 150-watt portable power source. This device converts a Ryobi 18V battery into a portable power station, allowing you to power or charge small electronics. It works great for devices like phones, tablets, laptops, LED lights, small fans, and radios. That makes it ideal for camping trips, outdoor projects, emergency power outages, or job site charging. For anyone already invested in the Ryobi battery ecosystem, this small device adds a lot of versatility.